My chest came out like a fire. Pakistan ran away like a kyer. Now reviews only insights with entertainment Bhakti. If you didn't felt proud like your chest is coming out saluting Indian Army, you are Rahul Gandhi. The Myanmar Bhutan terrorist punctured our army tires putting nails on the roads, but I don't think these terrorists can afford even a punctured tire because they get funding from. Our headshots are perfect straight bullet in the head and their cricket shots are not even perfect. Headshot to is like crush proposing to you for them which will never happen. फर्ज और फर्जी में एक मात्रा का अंतर होता है बट आई थिंक इमरान खान मस्ट हैव वर्ड बंदूक और आदमी में एक उंगली का अंतर होता है. हम इंसान हैं. We proudly said how is the Josh and they proudly said we lost our hosh. When Kirti Kular in the end came out with that helicopter and the machine gun, I was worried for Pakistan army because they can't even buy a machine without Dubai and China. I'm insane. Let's quickly get in the insights of Uri with entertainment Bakchudi, and yes, Uri is a masterpiece. Number 1. Pain in gain. Our society uncle and aunties are tired of walking and jogging, still they can't lose their weight. We hear a lot, वजन बढ़ाना चुटकी वाला काम है लेकिन घटाना तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. It's because of lack of metabolism and more of eating junk food like pizza, burger, hakka noodles, momos, french fries, pav vada, batata vada, chole, kulche, puri. But exactly opposite thing was happening with Mr. Vicky Kaushal because of his strong metabolism and pachan shakti. The training was started 8 months before the on-ground shoots where he was trained same like the army officers, their diet and their lifestyle to act like them. Otherwise we could have seen overacting. It was almost 3 months but Mr. Vicky wasn't able to gain weight. Mr. Aditya Dar pushed him to not give up and the special forces NSG commando diet was advised by the officers to consume heavily. And finally 8 months later Mr. Vicky Kaushal was ready for shoots. Number 2. Finding her. Mr. Vicky was guided by the army officers and the special forces about how actually Vihan Shergill conducted the whole operation and even his speaking style, the Josh. But Miss Yami Gautam had no references, no actual real life character which may guide her that okay, this is how an lady intelligence officer works. First couple of days on the sets were too difficult for Yami ma'am because she couldn't crack that character of an intelligence officer. Getting deep down in it was way too far. By the way, even I don't crack my life problems, they come and stay with me for years. Still I have no difficulty. Learn something from me, Yami ji. Don't worry, stay high. The director comes in the light, Mr. Aditya telling Yami ji to just feel those vibes inside you, talk with yourself and just crack this down for Ori. Number 3. No weapons. Those of you think all the shoots of Uri were performed in Kashmir, you are wrong. Yes. It was Serbia where all the war and action scenes of Uri were shot because it was easy to show Serbia as Kashmir. No. The reason was lack of weapons which special forces or NSG paratroopers use and even their complete protection kit from bulletproof jackets and professional guns. Mr. Aditya wanted to keep it real. He wanted to shoot this in Kashmir, but because of all these reasons, he decided to get in Serbia with his team. Samjha? Same goes with me. I have a lot of reasons to not study and stay away from it. Like why to waste pens refill, instead give that money to poor child so that he can study. War scenes were too difficult to shoot because they had to get on the ground at nights in jungle and jungle was of Serbia. Not an easy task. Hats off to the team. Number 4. Why Vicky? Mr. Vicky is an amazing actor but there are his competitors, so why Vicky Kaushal was picked as their first choice. RSPB Movies and their producer Mr. Amish Tripala is a good friend of Vicky and this is why Mr. Vicky got the role of Major Vihan Shergill. No, not at all. Yes, Mr. VK has a good bond with RSPV movies, but the major reason which helped him getting this iconic film and role was power-packed dialogue delivery and his fitness. If you observe closely, the army officers or soldiers, they don't have muscles on them like all these guys. But they are extremely fit, and the stamina which they carry is like running 60 kilometers without having a piece of bread in their stomach. And that's the reason Mr. Vicky's fitness after gaining weight was going to look more over like the officers. By the way, Vicky was fit for the role, and I can't even win a girl's soul. Single था, एक बीमारी लाचारी भिखारी. Number 5. Shailin Plan. Reports, research and the necessary talk with the special forces were done by Mr. Aditya Dhar, the director. But the main scene on which the film is based, the Uri attack, to get very deep information about how actually those bastard terrorists came in our army camps and destroyed it. Only the person who has faced it that morning can give the correct information from where did those terrorists enter to how they were killed. The director with Mr. Vicky decided to meet Captain Anand, who was serving in Kashmir, and faced it live. Captain Anand informed them about how he tackled that situation and came back home giving every single detail of that early morning. Concluding about Shailin and how its intensity was increased, which we all saw in the movie. How's the dog? Huge respect for Captain Anand. What do you believe in? Number 6. Why Uri was made. 20 days before Uri attack, Mr. Aditya Dhar was all set to make a movie with an Pakistani actor Ali Fazal. Everything was set.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
5 days before the attack, Ali Fazal came to India, started preparing for the movie.
ये है एक मटका.
And after 5 days, a very sad, heartbreaking incident took place, the Uri attack. The first thing happened after this cowardly act was government banned all the Pakistani actors.
ये है एक मटका.
Yes, Ali Fazal had to return back with an end of his career and putting a puncture shop like Mr. Chilku.
निकल 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 निकल.
Aditya Dhar had to cancel that project completely, but then Mr. Aditya wanted to know what exactly happened so bad that government banned actors. What kind of attack took place? He went to Delhi Parliament, had a chat, met some of the army officers, and yes, that made him sad. He can't continue his old project.
खत्म.
But got a reason. This is the time a film should be made on this.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
And guess what? 10 days later, the surgical strike was done. And this is how an iconic film was started. Time for wrapping up this video, but till that be pumped up, work hard, God bless you all. Bye bye till the next video. But sorry to tell you in the end.
ये है एक मटका.